All right, we're ready to start. Good morning, everyone, and thank you for joining our webinar, Managing Users in a Hybrid Workplace. I am personally so excited about this webinar because here at Inova Solutions, we're all about hybrid work. And we'd like to share with you what we do here at Inova Solutions to make hybrid work safe, secure, and easy for our employees. Thank you for joining us. I'm joined today by my amazing and talented colleague, Mr. Dane Smith. Um, when we start, I will first talk to you about Inova Solutions, our organizations, talk about who we are and how we can work together. Afterwards, um, we will be diving into the webinar. So who is Inova Solutions? For those of you who don't know us very well yet, Inova Solutions is the trusted Microsoft partner of cloud solutions provider with a gold level partnership in the Caribbean and South America. Our mission is to empower organizations of all sizes to create business advantages by adopting digital transformation. We are, as I said before, a Gold Microsoft partner, and we've also won the Microsoft Partner of the Year award for several years in a row now. We are headquartered in Curacao, that's a small island here in the Caribbean, but we do operate in the entire Caribbean region and Ecuador. The fact that we've won so many Partner of the Year awards for us means that our people are dedicated and passionate about what they do, and we can't wait to share our knowledge and our passion with you. There are several ways you can work with Inova Solutions. We provide Microsoft Cloud solutions, as I mentioned before. We provide user trainings to ensure that your users are making the most out of the investments that you've done in software solutions. But we can also provide IT guidance and support for your IT team. We use the products and solutions we sell. As I said, we are also implementing hybrid work now. After the pandemic, it's quite necessary to start doing that. And as I said, we use what we sell, and that's why it's important for us. It's a pleasure for us to share our knowledge and experience with you. So without further ado, I would like to invite my smart colleague and my talented colleague, Dane, to dive into the webinar. Dane, take it away.
Thank you, Marcy. Hello, everybody. Right. Can you see my slide? Okay, good.
Yes, here we go.
All right, awesome. All right, so let's get started. So as Marcy indicated, my name is Dane Smith. I'm the Cloud Solution Specialist for Inova. I'm currently based here in Jamaica. So I'm here to present to you this presentation on hybrid work. So hybrid work. To secure and optimize your workers' productivity and collaboration, you need to allow both on-site and remote workers to easily and securely access your organization on-premise and cloud-based information, tools, and resources, right? So this presentation will speak to you on the deployment and management of key layers of infrastructure that empowers your workers to do their best wherever they are. All right, so hybrid work can work on site, as I indicated, or remotely in a combination of various locations, allowing your workers to work anywhere from a traditional office or, give me a sec. Oh, all right, so Marcy's handling the entries. All right, so the reason for hybrid work, all right? One of the main reasons is to hire and retain workers who are unwilling to relocate or require a bit of flexibility. It's good to have a bit of flexibility in this current environment, COVID, right? We're now in a place where we can't allow too many people in our office at once. So it's best for us to stagger how many users can be in office at once. So with hybrid work, it's now easier for workers to work from home, right? It also reduces commuting. leaving workers with more time to get work done and be more productive and not be focusing on the commute and the stress of commute and being in traffic and so forth. And as I indicated before, it saves on office space. And so this presentation will outline how Microsoft 365 as a capability of empowering hybrid work. All right, so let's talk about, we're talking about empowering, right? So there are various ways to empower your users, giving them key capabilities such as connectivity, security, management, collaboration, and productivity. So when we talk about connected, right, for the hybrid worker, we're speaking about giving them access to cloud-based services and data in your Microsoft 365 subscription, right? We're also speaking about the organization resources, such as those offered by on-premises data centers. So that's where the connectivity is concerned. So you have access to your Microsoft 365 subscription and your organization data center. When we talk about security, this is where we consider stuff as MFA, otherwise known as multi-factor authentication. This allows the users to sign in with more than one type of authentication methods, hence the name multi-factor authentication, right? So it could be something the user knows, something the user has. So the something that the user knows would be the password, while the something that the user has could be a token, or it could be a text message, or it could be the user could authenticate by entering their password and then receiving a phone call to confirm this user's identity. So this is very crucial to have when we're working in a hybrid environment. So we need to always keep security in mind and have a zero trust mentality. Always authenticating, always verifying. That's the purpose of zero trust. So when we speak about manage now, we are looking at the hybrid workers' devices. Can they manage the cloud? Can they manage accessing your environment? Are they utilizing apps that are allowed to be in your network? So we need to contemplate things such as compliance. We need to contemplate system health. We need to verify that these things are always in place. So this is what we mean by manage. When we speak about collaborative and productivity, we're speaking about tools such as Teams, SharePoint, OneDrive, these tools which allows you to collaborate, have meetings together, interact with various users from various locations. So that's what we mean about when we mention collaborative and productivity.